Yo, donkeys is just welcome back to another episode like hi with Diski Parliament. It's been a great weekend for most South Africans. Asko happy song though, but otherwise asko la great is bad.
Right, isibali.
Sibale ngishasha intro
Oh.
ungibuka kabi
Awukhambeni why ungabingeleli ma-viewers kahle. Right.
Otherwise bafethu siyabukela ku Diski Parliament. Ngilo lelo langa namuhla bafethu sizokhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs. We just watched the game yeKaizer Chiefs against the ROC. The score is 1-0. Golden Arrows is through to the semi-finals. So to analyze the game nginasibali namuhla. My name is Siyabonga Shabangu and I'm with Sakhile Nkalanga. So to analyze nje le Diski sibone ukuthi what went wrong for Amakhosi. Uyangithola? Into lengakuthembisa yona ukuthi you will like this video. You will enjoy watching this video. So you might as well want to hit that like button right now before we proceed because you will be lost in the enjoyment. Ngihlala ngimtshela lokho bafethu. If you are new, make sure that you subscribe to our channel Izinja Zami. And if you are a returning subscriber, sibonga kakhulu for leyo support leyo bafethu. Let's dive into it. Excellent Sibali.
Sibali.
Sathu sibeke Sibali. Siyibonile igame. I think iChiefs ngokuyibona kwami. iChiefs beyilambile ukora but asikaboni kwendeka umnyakato phambili. They created a lot of chances bafika bakokota second half. What went wrong ngokubona kwakho Sibali? What do you make of the game? What went wrong? And yini lo ubona ngathi bekumele yendiwe ukuze niphume nema results la positive neKaizer Chiefs?
Ekugcineni kwa konke Sibali, the results speak for themselves. I didn't feel like we were hungry enough. It didn't look as if we were upset that our fellow rivals won a treble. Our fellow rivals won the CAF. We didn't look like a team that was hungry to win this trophy, which is why we didn't win. I don't think we deserve to win overall. We didn't convert our chances. We had quite a lot of chances. And I think the main problem was in the number 10 position. Was in the number 10 position because we lack creativity. Without Chislett, he's able to assist on both sides. You can see him assisting Batman, you can see him assisting Vilagaz, but Ngobo, he's not a natural 10. So he's an 8. I can't put the blame on him. But overall, we lack creativity. We didn't manage to manipulate the spaces. So we didn't deserve to win today.
So yini lobona ngazuthi the Crows should have implemented to make sure ukuthi you convert those chances lenwatholile le game?
Angathi kusikwenzakalani ngashabalala because in the past game, the one we played against Kruger, utravel nama under 21, I think it has a thing to do with discipline and so forth. But I think angathi kusikwenzakalani behind the scene where I don't think Melango Ngobo on that position, and I don't understand as to why I introduce him to at a later stage. We rather lose with a natural 10 than go to Zambia to put someone at 10. You know, my main concern was the 10 and our left and right back. What Golden Arrows did today was to manipulate the spaces that Munyane and Frost left at the back. So when they attack, they always leave spaces behind. Then Golden Arrows took advantage of that. Yeah.
But at the end of the day, bathathe leyo advantage leyo bafika ePalini. Sibonile kahle kahle lapha ukuthi imistake behleli nakhipha lapha. Yebo, okay, obviously iChiefs yendile ama mistake defensively bafika ukhipha, but Peterson went there. Something like that.
Yeah, it was.
What do you make of that?
It was a poor decision taking from Peterson. You cannot leave that much space from yourself and the goal. You know, it crossed, we are happy. There's no need for him to go inside. We went down because but the ball was going to come to him. We can see he saved it difficultly, but this is Peterson. He has been our saver for quite some time. So now I mistake time after time. So big up to him. He's going to show up in the next game. I'm sure about that. So we move.
But do you think if Nina keep her window musha?
No.
Something
No.
different.
Someone like Peterson, Mago took finger langa anti mistake. We're not going to put so much blame on him because we are saver in so many cases. He made a mistake. It wasn't good decision taking. Board the reevaluated. Then the next game we continue. Great.
Yeah.
He mistake. It happens. It's football.
Lo Duba had a stellar performance go opening game year league. Stellar performance. Bam introduced there on the second half. Bam introduced the second half and he scored a brace. Today, angathumbe him or I expected too much. Angamboni kahle. Ngathi bekangekho da.
Bekakhona sibona. The boys tried to connect. There was a connection between Vilakazi, Batman, Nayotuba, but we failed to convict. I mean, so we need Flavio. We need Flavio.
Did Ikadoro make any difference, Magangan?
It didn't make much of a difference. Ikadoro is a ball holding strike. I don't expect quite a lot of goals from him. Sifuna someone like Otela. Flavia Otela. But we are going to go spaces la right. We are going to go position la right because I receive a ball a goal.
Why do you think maybe Coach Angalamdlalis in the game there? Is it because the previous game and obviously Duba wanted to maintain the
No, Duba was introduced because Flavia was injured.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe bafuna monitor, bafuna introduce for then abese yalimala bese sibuyisele move. Yeah, we decision there right from coach Kutsangam. But umbonile namhla because we do need him.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we had Langelihle Phili, it was his debut today. Bamfakile wangena on the second half. What do you make of his debut game?
Ungena wakhombisa kufuna kudlala. Ukhombisile ukuthi okay guys I'm here to play. Ubukekani hunger but it see enough less cards for me to make a full judgment, but what I saw from him was he want to make a name from himself.
But you once said it doesn't matter the time that you get given. So you can't make judgment in 2 minutes, but you expect players to showcase their potential.
To show ungene ukhombise le hunger. To give me enough time to prove myself. And the ungene namhla washa goes okay, let's maybe at least give him a full 90 minutes. Let's give him a chance kusaqala ne game. Ungena ukhombise le hunger, ngena ukhombise ukuthi I want to play. Kulesikhatshana abakufake kuzo.
Okay. So basically what you're saying is kulesikhatshana langene kuso ukhombisile ukuthi
okay. Ngifuna kudlala, but it's going to be a challenge because now Batman ukhombisa what I want to play.
Yeah.
So who do we put in that position?
Yeah, Batman. I think he had a good game. Ngiyakhumbula masibukela le game we even argued with mau introduce Langelihle are you going to take Batman out because obviously badlala the same position. But like overall uyithini performance yamchitha vandag.
What I like the most about Batman could say he had work. I'm taller move, I'm taller pambil, it's all over the place. But as a forward, in the end of the day, you are expected to score. When I say it's a hard worker forward, if ever Kori, if ever assist, Kwamele Ukori, you need to put himself in spaces whereby I would say atokona lokora without goals, man but kalabangam appreciate. But overall the boy is coming well. So yeah. Okay. Aside was just in the foreseeable future.
You started the season, you were competing for 5 silverware. That's now down to 4. And coach made a promise. Gutsi, you are going to get a cup this season. So now you are left with 4. 1 is out of the table. What do you make of the whole situation? Is there still belief? I remember pre-season, I asked you this question. There was a belief because obviously you were still in all 5. Do you still believe? And how confident are you with the remaining 4? And which one would it be?
I'm still optimistic, but overall we are playing better football compared to last season. You know, I'm going to give the team some time. I'm going to give the coach some time because I can see that we are playing much better football compared to last season, and I still do believe that we are going to win at least one trophy. I'm not sure which one, but we are going to win at least one trophy. The fact that we have exited from the MTN 8 doesn't mean that we're not going to win the rest. We are going to win at least one trophy.
Are you confident enough to point it out so that I hold you to it?
No, hold me to the one trophy. Hold me to the one trophy. We are going to win one trophy. It can be Nedbank, it can be Black, it can be the Confed, it can be the league as well.
Also, you can't confirm which one.
I can't confirm which one, but we are going to win at least one.
Okay, I know. Ngiyakova Sibali. No, thank you Sibali as always. Awufuni nje Sibali ukuthi uvalelise ama viewers ethu today uthi fahla oke nje ubavalelise. Voice yakho mawuvalelisa ukuthi
Bafowethu, thank you for your support. Ngiqhubeka ngibukele iDiski Parliament, and by the way to the Khosi fans, singapheli mandla bafowethu. Singapheli mandla. We are playing much better football compared to last season, and we should be hopeful because our team is going to win at least one trophy. So yeah, I support any team, also the fans, the FNB. Let's support the team. Let's give the boys some support and let's be patient. Singafaki pressure learning Vilagazi. Like we have a team ebafana labancane, so we should be patient with them. Spanning isikhathi, sitawuhlangana, sitawukopana at some point, but our connect and we're going to win. Sibonga. Keep on supporting the channel.
Thank you, Zijazam. As a speaker of Diski Parliament, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to take sides. Yabona, so ngidawuvumelana nawe Sibali. Motivation ibalekile Sibali. Ngaphela umoya makhosi, ngaphela umoya kutawulunga next season. Tanilukela bafethu.
This season.
Otherwise, thank you Zijazam. This is Diski Parliament bafethu. Thank you for watching. If you've watched up until this far, if you are new to Diski Parliament bafethu, Diski Parliament, here we talk about anything and everything Diski related. Siyonibamba next episode. Thank you Zijazam.